Hello guys, how to take backup and restore in Windows 11. How to perform Windows 11 backup and restore. So to take a backup, first go to control panel of your system, open control panel, and in control panel open backup and restore Windows 7. Click on it and here you will find a control panel, backup or restore your file, backup location. First you will have to manage your location or option, so choose first check backup settings, click on options and check your backup setting, change backup settings, or otherwise you can also choose keep backup settings, otherwise choose change backup settings. And once completed, here select your backup destination file, select it and click on next. Here choose, let window choose recommended, what do you want to backup, make the check against this option and click on next. And here backup summary, all users, system image included, such type of message you will receive, backup location, new volume 2 which you have recently changed, and a system repair disk might be required to restore a system image, save settings and exit. Click on save settings and exit. Now your backup settings have successfully saves. Now new volume, click on backup now. It will take some time, so wait for some times. Now if you want to restore your files, you can restore your files that were backed up on the current location. Choose restore my files. It will restore your files from the backup recently you have taken backup, and here you will restore the same. The next, again go to control panel and you can also backup and restore through file history. So choose file history and here first turn on file history and click on run now to take backup or copies file to hard disk E.